Yeah, you're welcome back. In this video, we'll be solving a question from 2020 May-June West African Senior School Certificate Exam, paper 3, and we'll be solving the concluding part of all things being equal, solving the concluding part of the section which we started earlier. So now, let us start by showing you the internal part of the apartment first. In the apartment, remember our section is like this. We have a section wall here, we have a section door here, then we have elevation door, a section wall here, elevation wall, a section door, and a section here which has a beam. Then don't forget, we are also cutting through a beam here, so we have to indicate this one too. A beam, there's a beam here, so it is 2005 from this. We have to indicate that too. Let's see, that beam is on the 1, 2, 3. After the third wall, it is 25 away. 1, 2, 3. Yes, after this wall we have a beam which is 25. Let us measure the center line first. 1, 2, 5. Then put wall, and wall. So there's also a beam there. I didn't notice that in the previous video, so just take it up. It's not going to the ground because we did not cut through it at the bottom. So now the next thing we want to do, the height of the door. The height of the door is 2.1 according to the question. Look at it again. Door, it is 2.1 for the two door. 2.1, that's the height. So we measure the height of the door. One, 100, 2100. Then you measure the window downward from that level. The window is 1, 2, 1, 2 here. That's the window. Is it cut? Have we seen any toilet window? No toilet window along our section. No toilet window. So we don't need to indicate that level. So then let us indicate the lintel too. The lintel is usually the height of the side of the wall. Yeah, lintel is 225 by 225. So the height of our lintel will start from the top of the door, 225. So just measure 200. You can't measure 25 with this scale. So let us roll. This is for our lintel, this is for the door, and this is for the window. Yeah, like that. So now let us begin to show the internal component. Over here we have a section, a door in section, which is at this point. So it is along this wall. So you just first of all, let us draw the lintel because it is in section, so it must have a lintel on top. When you are cutting through any opening, either a door or a window, you must have a lintel on top of it, and you put symbol for concrete there because lintel are concrete member. So just put double door in the middle, double line in the middle to indicate our door. So that is our door there. Now after that, we are seeing two doors in elevation, and don't forget the size of our door is 900. The width is 900 and the height is 2.1. So from this wall now you measure 900 will be the entire length. So you can just put a thick line here for this first one and for the second one. So this one goes all the way to the bottom. Similarly this one, then this one, then this one here. So those are the two doors, this door and this door represents this door and this door. We are looking at it in elevation in the front. Now over here we have a wall. We are also cutting through a wall in section here, which is this wall. So we have to let it get all the way to the top, all the way to the top, and you put symbol for wall on it, symbol for wall. The set square unfortunately cannot, okay, it will only do some parts. So you put symbol for wall, double line, leave a little space, leave a little space. So you have to use a 45 degree set square, but let me just use this one because it is, my set square is intersecting with my drawing board, so I can't move it too far. So just place it like that, move it. And again, here where we have lintel, you have to also complete it all the way to the roof and put your, on the top we have this symbol for wall. You have to put it there like that. Yeah. So on this other side, what do we have next? After this wall, now we have this wall in elevation. Is it that? Now we have this beam. Beam here. So let's see information about the beam. Horizontal beam 225 by 225 at 2:1 above the dining and veranda. Above the dining and veranda. Is there any information about the floor level of the dining and veranda? Floor, no. So if that is the case, then 2100 is along this place, so it will be from here upward, from this place upward. So that's where we have our beam here. So you place this here. This is our 2:1 here. So you put it here, and the 225 is here, like this. It will just be like the lintel. You see it now. Then you're not taking the remaining part all the way to the top. So that is our beam in section. So you have this one with concrete member. You can see it says beam is 225 by 225. This is 225 by 225, and the remaining part is block wall. So you put the symbol for wall. Like that. So that is our beam. Then you have to, because this wall, when you cut this beam, there's no wall here, so we don't need to put, assuming the beam is on this type of edge now, then you have to indicate the wall coming down, but it is actually resting on the wall which is perpendicular to it, so we don't need to indicate anything here. So the next thing we want to indicate here is this door in the middle of this place, that is here. So it will be the entire width. It will be, that's the height of door in elevation. This, and don't forget this one will be thick line all the way to the ceiling. That's how far we can see it. The same thing here. This one will also go like that. These two lines represent this edge and this edge of the wall. So this is our door there. Then finally, what do we have? We have, there's something we have missed here. We have actually missed something here. We have actually missed this wall, which is which is 1000. Oh, so this is the more reason why you have to watch all the videos. This is 1000, so you can put the wall here. So we have our wall, which is 1000 here and here. So we have, and it has to have a foundation. There must be a foundation for it. So in this case, it means the foundation will be combined footing. You have to combine them because there's no way they will not enter into one another. If we get our, let's say this is center, 55 will be somewhere here. So we can have our foundation here like this, and this one will be connected all the way to this place. Oh. So this one, taking this and the blinding like that. So you put the symbol for concrete like that, and you put your foundation wall. Don't forget your foundation, your hardcore must not enter into the wall. To be like this and like this. So let us put symbol for the foundation wall like that. So then, so we are cutting through the door here. So the height of the door is this, and the lintel is this one. So just sticking it out. It will just be taken all the way to the top. And let us bring out the lintel. The lintel will be this and this. So you put the symbol for concrete. Now you put the door in the center, double line. Just put double line. Yeah, that is the door. So we have been able to indicate this door. And finally, we have this other beam here. Don't forget the two beams are the same, just like this. So you put what we have here to here. So let us take this one up. We will have to break this video, otherwise it will be too long. So we have to break this video. So you put the symbol for concrete like that. Then you put symbol for block wall. Then in this case now, unlike in this one, this wall goes all the way to the bottom. So you have to indicate the wall here. So this wall you still have to indicate the wall here and here, because we are looking at it in the front. Oh, no, we will not see the other side. We only see one side. We will see only one side of the wall, which will be this external one. We'll see only the external one. We won't see the one inside. The one inside will be inside of the room, so we cannot see it. So that is that. Then let us look at the type of door. Is it door? D1 is panel door. So it is a panel door. D1, as you can see, this is D1. These two doors in elevation are panel doors. No, sorry, this one and this one panel door, and this one too panel door. So since they are panel door and we are not told the number of panels, so all you need to do, give it thickness at the edge. You can panel it into any number of panels you want. I want to panel it into 3. Let me have this one like this, and that's one panel. and I have another one, the second and the third panel. So I have 3 panels. So let me use it for the other one. Let's draw the horizontal line first. Let's give it thickness first. And give them thickness. The bottom two must have thickness. So I made it 3 panel door. So this one will be here and here. Put this one here and here. And the next one here and here. And the last one here, here. Finally, this and the bottom, this and this. So I have 3 panel doors. So those are the doors. Is there any other information? Now let us complete this side. This one is only wall in section. So all you need to do is just to thicken it. There's no window there. Take it all the way to the top, like this and like this. So it's just a section, a wall in section. So all you need to do is just to put the section line and then the symbol for wall. All these things are very, very important, because those are the things that the examiners award marks to. So that is the solution to the internal part of the section of the building. So I will break the video here so that I can conclude the video in the next one, where we'll have the section of the wooden roof. Thank you very much. If you have enjoyed this video, like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so.